Good morning, students. So we will continue with the this type of data. You have done less than type where less than below was given and the cumulative frequency was given. If you see in this data again cumulative frequency is given. Here it is written more than or equal to. वहाँ पे लिखा होता below. यहाँ पे लिखा more than or equal to. If you observe here frequency is decreasing continuously. लगातार डिक्रीज कर रही है 53, 48, 45, 41, 38, 35, 31, 24, 8. Ultimately it will become 0. So in such type of frequency tables, cumulative frequency tables, you have to first filter out the frequency table. So first I have to filter out the frequency table from here. So I will first write here class interval, then frequency, right? So here if 0 to 10, 53 minus 48 will give you 5. Then 10 to 20 will be the second class interval. 48 minus 45, 3. 20 to 30, 45 minus 41, that is 4. 30 to 40, 41 minus 38, that is 3. 40 to 50, 38 minus 35, 40 to 50 we 30 to 40, 3, 40 to 50 also 3, 50 to 60, 35 minus 31, it comes out to be 4, 60 to 70, that is 31 minus 24, that comes out to be 7, 70 to 80, 24 minus 15, it comes out to be 9, 80 to 90, 15 minus 8, 7. Then you will be having one more, 90 to 100. यहाँ पे 0 मान लो, that is 8 minus 0, 8. Now if you add them, it comes out to be 53. So in these kind of sums where more than or equal to given and frequency is always in decreasing order, it means it is always cumulative frequency, right? About this we will study about in 14.4 exercise also. So first you know how to filter out frequency table from it. So what I have done, I have taken 0 to 100, 0 to 10. इसमें ना हमेशा लोअर लिमिट्स लेते हैं मोर देन वाले टेबल में, दैट इज वाई इट इज लाइक दैट. अगली एक्सरसाइज में पढ़ेंगे. बट हियर आई हैव फिल्टर्ड इट लाइक दिस. 0 to 10, 53 minus 48, 5. 10 to 20, 48 minus 45, 3. 20 to 30, 45 minus 41, that is 4. 30 to 40, 41 minus 38, 3. 40 to 50, 38 minus 35, 3. 50 to 60, 35 minus 31, 4. 60 to 70, 31 minus 24, that is 7. 70 to 80, 24 minus 15, 9. 80 to 90, 15 minus 8, that is 7. Then you have to take another one because 8 is still left. So 90 to 100, 8 minus 0, 8, right? So this is how we filter out the frequency table from it. Now you can go ahead the way you have done it earlier. You have to calculate median in this data. So first you calculate cumulative frequency. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 7, 29, 29 plus 8, 38, 38 plus 7, 45, 45 plus 8, 50. Right? So now you calculate cumulative frequency. 5 का 5 आ गया. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 7, 45. 45 plus 8, 50. Now you have to calculate median from this. Median is equal to n by 2th term. So that is 53 by 2. 26.5th टर्म, इससे बड़े वाला देख लो, इससे बड़े वाला है 29, इट मीन मीडियन विल लाई इन दिस क्लास इंटरवल। सो इसका L हो गया 60, H comes out to be 10, F comes out to be 7 and CF comes out to be 20. N by 2 you already calculated 26.5. So median has formula L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So L here is 60, N by 2 here is 26.5, CF 22, F 7, H is 10, 60 plus 3.5 over 7 into 10, डेसिमल का 0 आ जाएगा। So answer comes out to be 60 plus 5, 65. So as you have done so many sums of median, so you once you condense, filter out the frequency table, you can easily write cumulative frequency. 5 का 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 7 29, 29 plus 9 38, 38 plus 7 45, 45 plus 8 53. उसके बाद अगला स्टेप n by 2 होता है 53 by 2, उसका हाफ हुआ 26.5, उससे बड़े वाला CF देखना होता है, उससे बड़े वाला CF है 29. इट मीन्स क्लास इंटर जो मीडियन है इट विल लाई इन द क्लास इंटरवल 60 to 70. So L is 60, H is 10 here, F 7, CF पिछले क्लास इंटरवल का लेते हैं that is 22, N by 2 you already calculated 26.5. So you simply substitute the value and got the answer, that is 65. So we will give you some extra sums based on these kind of sums, that is on the value of x and y, where more than or less than type table is given and you have to filter out the table from it. Thank you. Have a good day.